Hello, I'm Kim Sauer for EMS Now here at Productronica 2011. I'm joined today by Rod Evans from Speedprint. Thank you for talking to us today.
Thank you for inviting me.
Pleasure. We're here at Productronica in Munich, a show that takes place every 2 years.
Yeah.
Let's look back at the last time you were here. We went through a rough time. Expectations, were different at the time.
Yeah.
Just go back to that point. What was it that you wanted to achieve, and where are we now with Speedprint?
Yeah, you're right. 2009 was a bad year for a lot of people for very obvious reasons. But it made a lot of companies get stronger,
Yes.
and it allowed those companies with certain abilities to kind of develop themselves into a position where they can take advantage of any growth that was going to come, and the growth was going to come. Speedprint's being able to go back to its roots, if you like, in terms of development, and come up with some nice features and some additional models into the line, which has proved to be very beneficial for us. So, tough get going in tough times, and that's what we've been able to do. Certainly 2010 proved to be a very successful year. In fact, it was the most successful year we've had in the history of the business, and 2011 is proven to be maybe more successful again. So yeah, it's been difficult but good, and we see some significant growth.
And what do you put that success down to?
In some instances, we have gone into other territories. We've kind of expanded the territories. Our core bases have been in Europe predominantly. We've recently now branched out physically into the States, so we have a big physical presence in the States, made some good recruitment in the States, and the recent 3 or 6 months have seen some significant installations in the States, so that's proved very successful for us. We've gone to the kind of the Asia market, and we've been quite successful in that area too. So we've expanded our installation base. In addition to that, we've got new products, and we've got new features in the machines which people seem to be taking advantage of. So it's a combination of a number of different features, really.
How different are all those markets, or does it not make a difference at all?
They are different. Certainly the flexibility that is demanded in Europe has pushed the technology forward. That has been an area where we've been able to benefit from those technology advancements we've made in Europe into the US, because again, that's a highly flexible environment, and our products suit that environment. In Asia, slightly different mix of technology than Asia, but we have seen a requirement for highly flexible machines in that area too. So it's the flexible solutions that we can offer, really, in terms of our product that's allowed us to move into those territories, and being very economical in terms of what we can do. Our technology allows us a platform to be economic in terms of a solution for customers, so you don't have to spend a lot of money to get the standards that you would expect of high-end printing, and that's what we can provide.
So do you think that's one of the key features, that an economical solution is one that's favoured at the moment?
It is. It's a balance. It's for us, we're heavily promoting that there are certain features you've got to have on a machine as standard, and that's been a big push for us. And that's different for our other suppliers of the same equipment, and it's something we promote because we believe that you need a certain level of performance, and those features have got to be built into the machine as standard, and our design of machine allows us to be very economic in the way we work.
So is this something you're highlighting at Productronica as well?
It is indeed, yeah. And thankfully we actually received Best Printer from Global SMT, which
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Which is a good accolade for the team that design, build, and support the product for Speedprint worldwide. So yeah, it's hopefully the first of many, and we're making good inroads.
And now, if somebody comes to your stand during the show, we've still got, I think, 2 days left of the show.
2 days left, yeah.
What can they expect on your stand?
They can expect to see the ADU, which is a new feature in the machine, which is capable of dispensing paste and glue. We're able to use kind of a Z map to actually allow us to map the board in its entirety. We use 1 micron resolution and linear encoders in that system to help us do that. There's no need to carry out any mechanical or personal calibration routine. It's all automatic. The teaching method to actually deposit paste and glue is very easy, very simple. It's self-teaching, in fact. So that's a big impact for us in Productronica so far, and hopefully it will be for the next 2 days.
Excellent. And you're going to continue with the push internationally as well, and specifically on the American market?
The American market is a big market for us because obviously it's a big territory.
Yes.
And we've had machines installed over the last 5, 6, 7 years, but those have been in small numbers.
Yeah.
And the last 6 months and the push we've made and the recruitments we've made and the companies that we've set in place there have been significant, and it's showing very good results so far. So that will be a big thing for us.
Excellent. Well, I wish you continued success for that, and thank you for talking to us here in beautiful Munich.
Thanks for your time.
To get you here quickly, you should start from here and let us take care of everything in between. Flextronics SBS, innovative manufacturing services.